Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I want to show you a mini album I made. I was using up this Hocus Pocus paper pad. It's a 6x6 paper pad. So I made a 7x7 mini album. The pages are 6 1/4, 6 1/4. So then you can easily take the 6x6 paper and adhere it. In this style, I included a flap, and I did have this swing tab to keep the flaps together. Here is the first page. I just used some of the leftover from here to make a side pocket. So you can put a 4x6 photo in these albums, and that would fit nicely. Or if you have room to trim down, for instance, on this picture, there's room at the top that you could trim down even more, and it still would go well. But that looks nice on there. That looks nice on that. And you can put a photo right there. And even have room down at the bottom for journaling on a plainer background. This has photo mat, which is 5.5 by about 6.5. So the 4x6 photos would look nice on there. And then definitely room for journaling on the side or on the bottom. There's that set of pages. So lots of room for photos in these books, even though they're fairly simple. They're not embellished heavily. We're just letting the paper take center stage. These are all moths, and then here's some spider webs on there. I guess there's spiders in there too. But again, the photos would look great on these pages. And, you know, if you had the 4x6 photo or even cut down, there's enough room on the side to leave a border, and you still can see the paper. And there's another hidden photo mat. Room for lots of pictures. And here's the last page. Room to put the photos. And there we go. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the bell for notifications, because I will have other mini albums to share with you, and hopefully you'll get some ideas and some inspiration. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.